Hi, I'm Nehal Shah. I am co-founder of Hestia Appliances.
Hi, I'm Foram Shah. I'm co-founder of ST Appliances.
We knew that we'll be hitting a ceiling to our growth some point of time, right? And then being a small team, you have your own set of challenges in terms of how do you manage things, right? And when Upscalio came in, we realized that the expertise that you guys have, which is in-house, right? You talk about every aspect of the business. You have something in accounts, you type, right? Say, I would say, if I have to say A to Z, right from accounting all the way up to website developer, you cover all of them, right? And when you cover all of them, it just gives me the peace of mind that if the brand has to grow, you're the right set of partners who can help me grow, because you've got not just all the departments there, you have the best people hired to do the job, and that is what allowed me to say this is the right kind of partnership that I should look out. So I never think it was about money. To me, what was more important is, as I said, one, I saw that you guys had a big team. Apart from having a big team, when I started interacting with Upscalio, and in the next 30 days, I see that you guys have nearly doubled up your team size, right? And that gives phenomenal confidence. Actually interacted with a couple of your team members, and then I realized, oh, these guys are the best in the industry. Every department for sure has something which is bringing a lot more to the table that I could offer or we could offer. Oh, I have been interacting largely with Saim, and all I can say is an incredibly grounded guy. Absolutely grounded. You reach out to him, always available. You send him a WhatsApp text, and he's in different time zones, but he's always available. And then you see the message percolating down, right? The message, the thought process percolating right from Saim all the way down to the organization, everyone wanting to help you, wanting to nurture the brand. They are all very excited and gung-ho about, taking the brand to the next levels.
He's very down to earth. I found very positive vibes coming from his side. So I said, we should go ahead with such company who is, coming up with the new ideas and thought process. That's how I thought of giving my company, my baby, to the Upscalio.
So, one thing which I would say to the other prospective people who are sitting on the fence, whether to go or not, one thing which is coming to Hestia as a brand is from Upscalio is I'm looking at, one which is what is coming in as capital, the right competence, right? Because that is something which is very important, that whether you can grow the brand or not, and the conviction that what you've selected is the right brand. They have the conviction in us, and I think all put together, capital, competence and conviction is something I believe we are going to be a household brand in the next few years.